Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2021 Hyundai Bayon. All you need to do, click on map. So what do we need to do now? On the right hand side, you've got the home. Click on search, enter keywords. What I'm going to do is PR5 4EA. Okay, it's looking, set as destination there. The connected routing is currently unavailable due to outdated version of the navigation map. Please update the map to use the connected routing. There you go. Obviously not being used for a while. That's it. We're sat on the forecourt here, so it's not going to take us too far, is it? Let's start guidance. That's it. Speaker, volume.
Guidance will be at this volume.
Easy enough to do.